How to remove background in Canva. Need a clean cutout for thumbnails or product shoots? Let's remove a background in Canva. So first, go ahead and open Canva, create a design, and then upload your image on your canvas. Now, in here, click on the photo that you want to remove the background from, and then this would pop at the top of your screen. So click on this BG remover button, and then this background will then be removed automatically. So after this, you can go ahead and refine edges using the erase or restore brush. Zoom in for precision around here, objects or text. Save your design as a PNG with transparent background, and Canva makes background removal fast and flexible. And that is the quick breakdown of how to remove background in Canva.